Growing balsam is easy. Balsam is a Victorian garden top choice. It is a fast-developing summer yearly blossom, with gardenia-like sprouts. Ceaseless blossoms develop over a thick plant with lustrous clears out. You will get sprouts in around 60-70 days. Balsam is an individual from the Impatiens family. Hues incorporate shades of white, pink, rose, violet, and red. Balsam is local to Asia, North America, and South Africa. There are yearly and perpetual assortments. Balsam are frequently developed in compartments on galleries and patios. Utilize huge pots to give a lot of room to them. Balsam additionally is a decent sheet material or edging plant. Plant height, 14 inches to 20 inches. Blossoms bloom, long blooming, from summer through fall. Balsam is developed from seed. They can be specifically seeded into your bloom plant, or seeded inside in plate or pads for transplanting later. Sow indoor begins around a month and a half before the last ice. Keep soil wet while developing. Sow seeds ahead of schedule in the season, and cover with 1/8 of an inch of soil. Water all together. It is critical to keep the dirt soggy amid the germination time frame. Days to germination, 10 to 15. Balsam prefers full to the incomplete sun. Shade the plants from the evening sun, particularly in hot districts. They lean toward a ridge, all around the depleted soil. Space plants 12-18 inches separated. Water them amid dry periods, on more than one occasion for every week. Try not to enable the roots to stay wet. Include a broadly useful compost frequently for ideal development. Once settled, balsam will develop well and sprout constantly well into fall. Yearly assortments are vulnerable to ice,